Hello children, today let us learn how to make a poster bringing awareness on avoiding plastic in our day-to-day life. On to the pattern to follow. Go through all these instructions before you make a poster. On to the question here. The government has issued a ban on the usage of plastic covers that have a thickness of less than 50 microns. Despite this, we see people using plastic covers. Prepare a poster for creating awareness among the people about the dangers of using plastic bags. So children, we are going to bring an awareness to avoid plastic through this poster. So there is no awareness program conducted. So we ought to first make a list of what are all the disadvantages of using plastic, and we have to put them into the poster, bringing the awareness among the people who read the poster. That is, whoever is going to read the poster is going to have a knowledge about the disadvantages of using plastic, and thereafter they are going to avoid plastic. So our information should be such good, or it should be such informative that the reader gets something new. They get equipped with new knowledge and they start avoiding plastic from the next moment onwards. Hence, we have prepared the poster this way. Avoid plastic. Plastic is non-biodegradable. Then we are going with the list of the disadvantages of plastic, in which all way our earth is affected because of the usage of plastic. How we, the human beings, how the animals, how the plants, all these are affected by the usage of plastic. So firstly, it pollutes the soil. Secondly, it harms the animals which eat it. So whichever animals consume the plastic covers, they find difficulty in digestion and ultimately they fall sick and gradually they die. It degrades soil quality. So when there is plastic, naturally the natural process of decomposition is lost. Hence it degrades the soil quality. It decreases the fertility of the soil. Then it decreases the fertility of the soil, obstructs percolation of rainwater. This means that whenever it rains, the rainwater accumulates and the water goes inside the earth. But when there is a plastic cover in the middle, the percolation becomes a bit difficult, and hence the rainwater accumulates on the surface itself and the underground water recharge becomes lesser. So it obstructs percolation of rainwater. Avoids air circulation for plants. You all know the roots of the plant respire. So when there is a plastic cover in the middle, the respiration for the roots becomes difficult and causes cancer to humans. We all know that usage of plastic causes cancer in human beings. So here we come with a quotation. Plastic is a great invention. Use it constructively. Use reusable plastic. Avoid using non-recyclable plastic. So here we are giving a practical outlook wherein avoiding the plastic completely is extremely difficult, or you can say highly impossible, because plastic has become a part and parcel of our life. So we can give some ideas wherein we ask the readers to use reusable plastic, which can be used for a long time and which may not be disposed quickly and which may not pollute our environment. And we need to avoid using non-recyclable plastic. Hope you all understood how to make the poster, and then children draw a picture relevant to the context. Here we are asking to avoid plastic in order to save earth. So here we have put the two pictures, that is Mother Earth and the plastic cover. So just say no to the plastic covers. Hope you all understood how to make the poster. Thank you children. Thank you for watching. and have an innovative day.